Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Toyota Corolla trunk issues. We'll start by identifying common problems you might encounter, such as a trunk that won't latch securely, a lid that refuses to stay open on its own, or one that simply won't open at all. Understanding the specific root cause is the crucial first step toward a successful and lasting repair, ensuring your trunk functions perfectly every time you need it. Next, let's dive into diagnosing latch and lock issues. Begin by visually inspecting the latch mechanism for any debris, obstructions, or visible damage that could prevent proper engagement. Then, carefully check the trunk release cable for appropriate tension. It should operate smoothly without being too loose or overly tight. If you suspect an electrical problem, use a multimeter to confirm that 12 volts are consistently reaching the solenoid. Finally, apply a silicone-based spray to lubricate all moving parts for optimal function. Now, let's tackle common strut and hinge problems. If your trunk consistently refuses to stay open on its own, it's a clear indicator that it's likely time to replace the gas struts. Additionally, carefully examine the hinges for any signs of bending, rust, or wear that could impede smooth movement. Adjusting the hinge bolts can effectively correct any trunk lid alignment issues, and a generous application of automotive grease will ensure smooth, effortless operation for years to come. Finally, we'll cover essential electrical and alignment fixes. Thoroughly inspect all wiring harnesses for any frayed or broken wires that could interrupt the circuit. Use a test light to confirm that power is consistently reaching the trunk release button. For a truly secure and flush close, carefully adjust the trunk lid strikers. Also, make sure your weather stripping is completely intact and properly seated to maintain a tight, waterproof seal, protecting your trunk's contents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.